just got a package in the mail from Sewful Therapy. Ooh. I put this on my machine as a seam guide. Let's see what we got here. Got a cute sticker. I love her logo. So it's Sewful Therapy. Okay, I'm gonna show you these one at a time. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. So this, my birthstone is opal. This reminded me of opal. So it's like a white, but it's pearlescent. Isn't that stunning? And it's got that quilted look to it. And I got 2 of these shimmery vinyls. This is like a gunmetal, so it's kind of got like a bronzy look, but then in some lighting, like a dark gray. Oh my gosh, and it's blue. I had to have this blue. This is also a shimmery one. 2 of the ones I'm super excited about. Ooh, look at those. Oh my heck. So these are reflective. So in the average lighting, it's kind of a darker color like this. With a flash, it goes bam. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I got it in that colorway as well as this rainbow colorway. So this has yellows too. The other one's more blues and purple. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's go look at these shimmers outside. Wow, it's hard to even capture just how beautiful this is in the sun. It's so sparkly. All these vinyls feel like they are under 1 millimeter, so they should be domestic friendly. I sew on my domestic machine. It's a 1948 Singer, and I'm gonna test these out, but just based on the feel alone, they feel like they will do just fine on my domestic machine. I can't wait to show you what I have in store for these. Stay tuned.